Speedmaster Detail Storage Stool. This is the best thing since sliced bread. You know, a lot of times when we're detailing cars, or you see a picture of someone detailing cars, they're always standing next to the car working on the hood. But if you think about it, the majority of the surface area are the vertical panels. And it's never a good idea to be bent over in buffing. So you want to lower yourself down so you're always looking across from the panel you're buffing on. And that's where this thing comes in so handy. A proper detail, it takes a few hours, so anything that makes you more efficient is going to speed up the process. And this is no matter where you're working, whether you're buffing outside panels, you're working on the wheels and tires, cleaning them or dressing them, or the front grille, the rear of the car, bumpers, any of these lower areas. This tool is going to make you more efficient, and that way it's going to make you faster at everything you do. The Speedmaster detailing stool has 2 removable trays with 10 compartments in places for 4 products. You can use them both, or you can remove them depending on your preferences. They're sturdy and they're rugged, perfect for holding all kinds of small items or, again, your products. There's also a front drawer. And this is real handy for keeping your towels clean. And you guys know how important this is, because if you use a dirty towel to wipe off any residue that you just polished, the chances are good you could put a scratch back in. So this is going to keep your towels handy right where you need them, and they're going to keep them clean at the same time. The stool also comes with 4 caster wheels, and these aren't small little wheels. These are actually a really good size industrial strength, and that's going to help them to roll over uneven surfaces smoother. Plus, the 2 back wheels are lockable to lock you into place. And if you've ever detailed a car using a roll-around stool, you know how important this is, because if you do not have the locks and you push against the car to the buffer, you tend to roll away. With this cart, you're going to stay in place to get the job done. The Speedmaster detailing stool is made from sturdy steel construction and can be assembled by anybody with just a few simple tools found in anybody's garage. There's a non-slip seat, and this is the perfect tool to make you faster and more efficient no matter what kind of detailing work you do. Get your own Speedmaster detailing stool at Autogeek.com. For more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.